I've just purchased another 3D printer, a Bambu P1S combo. This will come in handy for making parts for my woodworking. Inside the bottom of the box we have some sample filaments and other bits and bobs that we'll take a look at shortly. One user manual. Peel off the packing tape so we can get the lid off. Let's see if I can get my nails underneath. And remove the foam packing. There's my AMS unit. We'll have a look at that now in a minute. Say one thing, this tape is quite strong. Here we have the display, your data lead for the AMS, power supply lead, spool holder, and your hot end. Other bits and bobs, not sure what all this is for, so if you know, let me know in the comments. And a little Allen wrench. We need to take these securing bolts out. Same on the right side, so we can lift the AMS unit out. And this allows us to lift out the AMS. We need to cut this off. Here's your cutter for your filament. To cut the filament, we need to remove the bolts now, the screws that are marked orange. That's quite fiddly in all honesty. There we got that. Now these screws were there that are holding the bed down. 3 of them. Extremely fiddly to get your hands in there. I was going to take the print plate off, but we won't bother. And the last one right at the back. Try not to touch the print bed, which I didn't. Right, let's put on the LCD screen. Looks like that'll break the back. That is extremely fiddly to get your hands in there, especially if you've got big hands like myself. Slide to the left so it clips into place. Time to fit the spool holder. I need to take this one out by the looks. Just a message reminding us to remove the screws before we start the self-check. Select what region you want. For me it is Europe, as I'm in the UK. Then let it run the self-test for the first time and just sit back until it finishes. Remove the rest of the packing from underneath the plate. Just running a self-test. Right, we'll come back to this when it's finished testing, as I don't want to bore you watching it all the way through. Right, it's saying it's finished. Currently printing an exhaust port for my resin 3D printer. Looking good so far. Well, we have just finished printing this exhaust port for my Satin 4 Ultra resin printer. Looks absolutely brilliant quality. Using Bambu Studio and adjusting a few settings in the software to 3D print a DeWalt caddy for 4 DeWalt batteries. One finished DeWalt battery adapter to carry my DeWalt batteries around, very handy. I'm serious paying stupid money on eBay for a 3D printed one, even has DeWalt on the top.